and welcome to Week 1 Business Writing. If you haven't done so yet, please look at Week 1. Why are we doing this? How the course is set up and why we do what we do. It just gives you an overview of the assignments in here, the forums, and why we do each specific one. It gives you a base knowledge of what we're learning and why we're learning it. Each week you will go through 4 pillars of learning. Pillar 1 and Pillar 2, you can expect to see a video from me each week. I'll try to keep those as brief as possible. And then each week you'll see a Pillar 3 and 4, which is your work, the things that you can do. And they're all focused on learning. Pillar 1 is an overview of your learning, what you're going to learn this week. Pillar 2 is an instruction to help you learn. Pillar 3 is applying what you learned. And then Pillar 4 is testing or assessing what you've learned. So here we are for the Pillar 1 overview. So I just told you about pillars. This week we're going to be looking at invention. So the Pillar 2 video will show you what invention is. But it's basically, a lot of students like to call it writing plan. So it just helps you set forth who is my audience, what am I writing, and why am I writing to them. That's a very important first step in writing. Next, in Pillar 2, we'll look at paragraph structure. And you've read about that in Week 1, or you will be reading about it in Week 1. And so we just hit the basics quickly of topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentences. It's very necessary to know this and review it even if you've been writing for years and years, as I'm sure you have. Then we'll have assignments. This week be sure to look ahead at what's going on so you can plan your week accordingly. We will do quizzes each week, and that is over the reading material. And yes, you can certainly use your textbook. I want you to learn, and I want you to make sure you have those answers correct. Mark in your book. If you have that option of marking in your book, it might be online, so maybe you can highlight online in your book as you go. The exercises, make sure you follow the video that I have set up for the exercises. It's an online activity, and you just save your exercise information each week and send that to me, and that video shows you how to do that. We also have a forum each week, so this week be sure to click on the forum and see what you need to discuss. There's some questions in there for you to answer. You don't answer each one, you just pick one. Business writing, you'll get to write a scenario. That's also in Moodle, explained in Moodle, but some of the scenarios are, all the scenarios are focused on the business environment. And then last, make sure that you sign up for our mini presentation. This is just a small point value where we each take a week, study a common error that people find often in writing, and explain it. So create just a small PowerPoint presentation that has in there some questions for us. Like if you do a PowerPoint over commas, explain the comma rules, and then have a couple of questions in there where the commas are misused, and ask us to correct them. So that one's just very short. So this is an overview of what we're doing Week 1. So go ahead, if you haven't read the chapters, read the chapters, look ahead at the assignments coming up, and then click on the Pillar 2 video. It's good to have you in class. I look forward to seeing your work. Thanks.